Jacob. I'm a senior here at Almont High School. This year, I decided to do something a little different for my capstone project. I know you guys probably know, you guys have heard, I've created a little something called Almont Against Cancer. What we're doing is we are trying to raise funds for St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. St. Jude provides free cancer care to children no matter what circumstance or cancer, does not matter. Today we're going to be showing you guys, there are 3 kids who I want you guys to see their stories. They're really, really inspirational. And the goal is just to raise awareness because childhood cancers are severely underfunded and they are severely not brought to recognition as other cancers are. I mean, we have like whole months dedicated to breast cancer and all those other kind of cancers. I mean, we all know, October is everybody wears pink everything. The NFL goes pink out and everything. So what our goal here today is to bring awareness to pediatric cancer. So what I'm going to show you guys is a roughly 20-minute video, 3 lives of childhood cancer patients, and you guys can check it out. And then hopefully you guys can help spread awareness of childhood cancer. You guys can buy wristbands and t-shirts through me, and our proceeds go to St. Jude. So that's what we're trying to do here today. So I have this video for you guys, so just enjoy and be quiet and check that out. Lights.
Lido, and I am a freshman at SC4. I was diagnosed with osteosarcoma, which is a form of bone cancer, in the beginning of May 2013. I started my chemotherapy regimen at the end of May, same year. I went through 6 grueling rounds of chemotherapy. I also had surgery to remove part of my femur because the tumor was in my femur. They removed part of my femur and put in a cadaver femur. They put in 2 metal plates and 17 screws roughly. I went through my chemotherapy treatment and my surgery at the University of Michigan, the cancer center, the hospital. For my chemotherapy, it was a 5-week regimen, which is 1 round. I had 1 week where I had 2 chemotherapies, and I had a 2-week break, and then I went back for back-to-back treatments. So essentially, I was there for 2 weeks, and then I was off for 2 weeks. Next year, I plan on attending a 4-year university, and I anticipate my major to be physical therapy, which I will have a lot of experience with my leg. I guess out of the whole experience with cancer, I guess my main point would be that cancer really doesn't take anything into consideration with who it hits, young or old, black or white, tall, skinny, fat, anything. It can be anybody. And the biggest thing is it can hit anybody, but you can get through it. It's not the end of the world. And I'm a living survivor now, and the biggest thing is childhood cancer is just very underfunded and just not very known about. And there needs to be a lot more awareness towards childhood cancer. There needs to be a lot more funding, and there's been progress, but it's not on the scale of, say, breast cancer or testicular cancer or anything, because a lot of people have that, but childhood cancer affects so many children that you don't know about, and there just needs to be more awareness taken and more steps taken to help the awareness become better and to help more children survive the types of cancers that they encounter.
Zach, such a beautiful song. This is for you.
I fell down, down, down to this dark and lonely hole. There was no one there to care about me anymore, and I need only I had a little bit more time. If only I had a little bit more time with you. We could go up, 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 then take that little ride. We'll sit there holding hands and everything will be just right. And maybe someday I'll see you again. We'll float up in the clouds and we'll never see the end. We'll go up, 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 but I'll fly a little higher. Go up in the clouds because the view's a little nicer up here, my dear. It won't be long now. It won't be long now. what it will be like when I walk by your side. I can only imagine.
Hi, I'm Mo Guerrero.
I'm Jennifer Guerrero.
I'm Ed Guerrero.
When your face is before me, I can only
I
imagine.
go to Almont Middle School and I'm in 6th grade.
Surrounded by your glory, what will my heart feel? Will I dance for you, Jesus? Or in awe of you be still? Or will I stand in your presence? Or to my knees will I fall? Will I sing hallelujah? Will I be
There's such a strong need for funding for pediatric cancer. Abraham's first treatment is actually what caused him to have the second cancer.
I had osteosarcoma and medulloblastoma.
I can only imagine when that day comes and I find myself standing in the sun. I can only imagine when all I will do is forever, forever worship you. I can only imagine. I can only imagine. Surrounded by your glory, what will my heart feel? Will I dance for you, Jesus? Or in awe of you be still? Or will I stand in your presence? Or to my knees will I fall? Will I sing hallelujah? Will I be able to speak at all? I can only imagine. I can only imagine.
This is Almont against cancer and I'm a 2-time survivor.
To my knees will I fall? Will I sing hallelujah? Will I be able to speak at all? I can only imagine. I can only imagine. I can only imagine. Oh yeah. I can only imagine. And I can only imagine when all I would do is forever, forever worship you. I can only imagine.
Back when this movie was made, I was in my senior capstone English class, just like most seniors will be taking next year or who are already taking it this year know. You know, that's a rigorous class, but if you choose something, do something that you really care about, then you can create, you know, something even bigger than just a project. Since that video has been created, my cousin Ryan Needle, the first person showed in this video, has been officially declared cancer-free. So. Through this video, I hope you guys just continue to help raise awareness now that you guys know exactly what we're up to, and you guys can go follow us on Facebook and Twitter. @TheFightAAC. I don't know if you guys have seen that, but you guys can use the hashtag AAC to show your support on whatever social media platform, that'd be cool. But before I let you guys go, can I have the whole entire Guerrero family come up on stage? And my cousin and his girlfriend come up on stage too. Being the stars of our video and helping us out with this, we just want to present them with something so they can get their full appreciation, and so that we can show that we think about them and that they are really the inspiration behind Almont Against Cancer. So you guys, we got a little something for you. We're calling these the Helping Hands Awards, since you guys helped us so much with everything. And we got you guys t-shirts and your award that's framed, so you guys can hold on to that. And if we can get a round of applause for these guys. You're so welcome. You guys are really welcome. Thank you guys for coming. If anybody has any questions, you guys can ask myself, Erin, Schoen, Zeke, Standfest, or Taylor Cole. They all know what's going on. If you guys want to buy wristbands or t-shirts, you guys can come talk to me. Let me know. If not, if you guys have any questions, come ask me right now or whatever. If not, then you guys are free to go with your class and do whatever you have to do. So thank you for coming, and thank you for showing your support.
They can all go first. You guys can go. I don't know how I'm gonna get down this one. Need help? I think I'm just gonna get off the edge when I get my treadmill. I'll see what's going on.
Hey, John.